Welcome to Doba tutorial. If you are already registered your retailer account and chose a subscription plan, the next step is for you to connect Doba to your e-commerce stores. After connecting your stores, you may sync and manage all of your orders, as well as shipping from all of your stores in one place, Doba. Isn't that great? In this and the following videos, we will show you how to connect your stores on various platforms. In this one, let us learn how to connect your Shopify store step by step. So just follow us. Step 1. Please log into your retailer account. Click Stores. Step 2. Click Connect a new store. Select Shopify, then click Next. Step 3. Enter the Shopify App Store. Click the Login button. Step 4. Here, please enter the URL of your Shopify store, then click Login. Step 5. Enter your email, then your password, and click Login button. Step 6. Click Add App, then click on your account, wait for a moment, and the page will redirect you back to the Shopify App Store page. Step 7. Click Install App, and you will be redirected back to Doba. Congratulations! You just successfully connected your Shopify store. Just click OK to finish. Then, on the Stores page, you will find your Shopify store is activated and authorized. Now you are ready to go. Next, you may add some hot-selling products to your store and officially launch your dropshipping business, and hopefully get your first order real soon. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.